Welcome back to XTechie. In this video, we will delve into the process of authentication using JWT, JSON Web Token, in Angular. We will learn how to implement JWT token-based authentication and explore the steps involved in securing our Angular application using this method. In the previous video, we explored the creation of an authentication API using Node.js. We covered the implementation of user registration, login, and validate token. In this tutorial, we will cover the complete authentication flow in an Angular application using JWT tokens. The tutorial will be divided into three main sections. Registration flow. Users will be able to fill out a registration form with their details. Upon submission, the application will send the user data to the Node.js backend API that we built in the previous video. The backend API will handle the registration process and store the user data securely in the database. Login flow. We will create a login form in the Angular application. Users will enter their credentials, username and password to log in. The backend API will verify the user's credentials, and if they are correct, it will generate a JWT token and send it back to the Angular application. Token validation. Upon the login validation, Angular app redirects to home component. We will trigger validate token from there. Practical execution. Thank you for watching the second video in this series. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please feel free to leave your comments below and I will be more than happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button to receive notifications for future updates. Your support is greatly appreciated.